Take command of the road in the 2019 Honda CR-V. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like all-wheel drive, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.